Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating Twitch error that many Chrome users encounter, Error 3000. If you're seeing this playback error when trying to watch streams, I've got you covered with these proven solutions to get you back to enjoying your favorite content. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to browser issues, extension conflicts, or connectivity problems. First, let's try the simplest solution: refresh the Twitch page. Press Ctrl plus F5, or CMD plus Shift plus R on Mac, to perform a hard refresh that clears the page cache. This often resolves temporary glitches that might be causing Error 3000. If that doesn't work, let's clear your browser cache and cookies specifically for Twitch. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open the clearance dialog. Select All Time for time range, check Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Sign back into Twitch and test if the error persists. Now, let's check your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, or Twitch-specific extensions can interfere with playback. Temporarily disable all extensions by going to Chrome//extensions/ and toggling them off. If Twitch works without extensions, re-enable them one by one to identify the problematic one. For persistent errors, let's try using Twitch in an incognito window. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open a new incognito window and navigate to Twitch. If the error doesn't occur in incognito mode, the issue is likely with your browser profile or extensions. If you're still experiencing Error 3000, let's check your Adobe Flash settings, if applicable, or ensure HTML5 player is enabled. Twitch primarily uses HTML5 now, but some legacy settings might cause conflicts. For network-related issues, try restarting your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for all lights to stabilize. This can resolve connectivity issues that might be causing the error. As a last resort, try using a different browser altogether. Install Firefox, Edge, or Brave and test Twitch there. This will help determine if the issue is Chrome-specific or more general. I know how frustrating Twitch Error 3000 can be when you're trying to watch your favorite streamers. One of these solutions should resolve the playback issue. For most users, clearing cache or disabling extensions does the trick. If this guide helped you fix your Twitch Error 3000, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more streaming platform troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.